Assalamu alaikum. Hi to everyone. How are you and how is your family? Today I am to demonstrate you Tizzy toy box because some portion is left inside that one. It is using for this software using for the nursery KG and 1 and 2 class. But it is suitable for the playgroup nursery and KG. We will start from here. We click here, bucket and spade. We will click on it. Now Now my spade is above the bucket. Which one? This one. When you click here, yes, correct. Is behind the sand castle. This sand castle behind this one. This was the wrong one. This one correct one. You will click on it. Can you find next to the bag? Is above the bucket. Above the bucket. Which one? When you click on it, yes, correct one. It's behind the bag. Behind the bag. This is above the bag, and this is behind the bag. Below the sand castle. If I click this one, yes, this is correct one. Below the, we find all the spirit. Is next to the bucket. When you click here, find is above the bag. Above the bag, not the behind the bag. This one. When you click here, the wrong one. Now let's see. No, behind the bag. That way, above the bag. This is the above the bag. We'll click on it. Now it's okay. Front of the sand castle. We want to play again. No, we will go outside from it.